Hey guys, if you want to see how to get this negative space cut crease, it's a graphic design. I keep on saying graphic design. Graphic art look. So if you want to see how to get this look, nice sunset, bird, clouds, sky, just everything. I'm just giving you life. Gold highlight, orange lip gloss. Type look, then keep on watching and I'm feeling myself. Hey guys, this is another makeup tutorial I'm gonna do today. Yeah, don't mind my hair. I look like somebody, like a little rapper. So yeah, sorry, I did my twists, so I'm gonna take them out. But this is gonna be a walkthrough. I was really gonna just do it off camera, but I was like, let me just knock two birds out with one stone because somebody's gonna come to take pictures of me today. So I'm gonna do a look for her so she can take the pictures of me. So what I'm going to do today is a sunset sky look. I don't even know what to call it, but I'm just gonna walk you through what I do. And oh my god, my hair itches. But yeah, let's just get this started because I can't be wasting time. Time is of the essence. So let's just jump right into it. Another voiceover too, because y'all are sick and tired of hearing my voice. I'm gonna prime my face and do all of that off camera, do my concealer and everything, because y'all already know what to do with that. So I can just go straight into the eye look, put my foundation on, and then that's it. Be right back. Okay guys, so I primed my eyes and now I'm back. So the first product I'm going to use for the base is number 302 Tiffany Star Crush Minerals. Using Star Crush Minerals Tiffany and number 302, I use that as the base to blend out on my eyes first. Using the Morphe 441 brush. And guys, make sure you wing the eyeshadow out so it can create that wing effect. Going in with the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to use that bright blue shade above the blue shimmer shade to put that in the crease of my eye, under the base. Using the Morphe 506 brush. Going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium light, I'm going to now cut my crease so it can be sharp and nice and edgy. Using any small, precise pencil brush you have. Now that we have done that, there's still eyeshadow peeking through on the lid, and that is not good. So we're going to use micellar water to clean that up with the Q-tip. Now that we cleaned up the lids from the extra eyeshadow, the eyeshadow that we're going to put on the lids is more prominent to be seen than having blue underneath the eyeshadow you're going to put on your lid. Now using the same concealer to fill in the lids for the base for the eyeshadow we're going to put on it. All I did for this is use a flat Wet n Wild head brush. Now adding back some of that blue color we used in the beginning, I'm going to use the Morphe E36 brush to put that back on my lid. Then going in with that dark blue shade to create an ombre effect using a small precise art brush to put over the cut crease. Then we're going back in with the base that we used, Tiffany, to add that back in because it got lost in the other blue that we used after Tiffany. Then you carve out the cut crease again because after applying all those eyeshadows, sometimes the cut crease gets messy and you need to sharpen it back up. Using the Morphe 266 brush, this brush will be used to create another cut crease that creates the negative cut crease effect. So we're going to use red to put in the inner and outer corners of the eye first, and then orange and yellow. It's going to be an ombre effect. Going in with that same red I used in the beginning, we're going to start filling in the inner and outer corners with the Morphe 326 brush. Now going in with the orange shade, we're going to use the Morphe E19 brush to pack that on next to the red. Now going in with that bright yellow shade, we're going to use the Morphe E239 smudger brush to put that in the middle. Going back in with the orange shade to blend it in more with the yellow to make it more ombre. Now we're using the burgundy shade in the palette to add to the red to give it more dimension, so we're going to use that on the very outer and inner corners of the red to give it more depth. Now we're finally going to sharpen back up that cut crease. Using the same pencil brush I used to make out the outline in the beginning. Going in with the white shade, we're going to set the negative space using the Morphe 431 brush. Then again going back in with Tiffany to put more of the base shade on. Now using gold glitter eyeliner from the beauty supply store to put in the middle of the yellow shade. And guys, you'll see at the end of the video that I did all the other processes off camera, but just know that the same ombre effect I did on the top, I did for my bottom lashes, like underneath my eye. Yeah, this shit is mad long. Like, I didn't expect it to be that long. It just turned out that way. Did a really good job. Oh, I'm still recording. Oh. I am so cringy. Let me stop this. This is it. I added the lip gloss, highlight, freckles, all of this off camera. I'm so sorry for not going over the full thing, but hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this makeup tutorial. So little do you know, I was outside and my friend of mine, Zari, wanted to take my pictures for one of her projects. So I was like, okay. So I had to repowder my face. Didn't do anything to the eyeshadow though, it stayed. but it was a journey. I was sweating. This makeup held through. So this is not like right after I finished doing my makeup, but it's still, you know, and you know, when you wait, the highlight and stuff gets sweaty. So it's more pop out-ish, I guess. But thank you so much for watching this makeup tutorial, and I hope you liked this look, and I hope you learned and got inspiration from it or something like that, you know. This is it. So this is negative space cut crease. This is what it's called. And then I just did birds and clouds, a bird, a clouds, and then the sun on this one. And gold in the middle. Yeah.